Good day to everyone. My name is Cosimo MUSCA and I'm working for ST Microelectronics in Agrate Brianza, near Milan in Italy. For more than 30 years in the semiconductor industry, among the other responsibilities, at the European level, I'm acting with a leading role in the industrial governance of the first IPCEI of Microelectronics. And together with Cathy Battiston of Renault Group in France, we have been involved in the preparation of the second IPCEI of Microelectronics and communication technologies, greatly influencing the definition of technical content with a particular focus on the power semiconductor. Now we have the privilege to represent the ACT and Power community and be the leaders of the Worldstream ACT. The Worldstream ACT deals with microelectronics for power and actuation. The energy management and the energy generation developed in Worldstream ACT can be enabling factors for the other functionalities in Worldstream Sense, Think and Communicate. The actuation developed in Worldstream ACT allows to execute the decision taken by the Think features according to the analog and digital data collected by the Sense functionalities. The Worldstream ACT includes different beyond state-of-the-art technical activities on substrates and manufacturing equipment and simulation tools to support the microelectronics industry. Moreover, with respect to the semiconductor technologies, the Worldstream ACT develops silicon-based innovative technologies for smart power and power discretes, highly integrated technology platforms based on wide bandgap, mainly silicon carbide and gallium nitride, and also other advanced material, and piezoelectric technologies. Concerning the microelectronic components, the Worldstream ACT includes analog and power devices, actuators, micro-LEDs, and harvesting technology platforms. Moreover, in ACT we have activities on printed circuit boards based on silicon and wide bandgap devices, power electronic systems, and mechatronic systems, for example, packaging and interconnection for the application products to serve the power management field. The new integrated devices, the modules and the smart system will be used for a wide range of downstream industry applications. For example, high-performance computing data centers, electric vehicles, displays, public mass transport, digital health systems, innovative smart manufacturing, robotics, power storage and conversion for smart grid and renewables. Within ACT, there are about 40 cross-Worldstream collaborations, mainly split between Sense and Think, and also other collaboration in Communicate. The Worldstream ACT is not only important for the microelectronics industry, but for the entire power conversion value chain, including the actuation, such as in motor control. The European green transition and the digital transformation lead to an enormous development of industrial power conversion applications. There is a huge need for efficient power electronics in many sectors, such as renewable energy production, grid management, electrified mobility, or the large use of power induced by the artificial intelligence applications. Therefore, we have a big challenges to meet: to secure the supply chain, to develop the most relevant technologies fitting with heterogeneous requirements, to enable short lead time manufacturing of novel solutions for the downstream markets. In this respect, a global collaboration of all stakeholders is mandatory, and fortunately, the ecosystem is enabled by the IPCEI of Microelectronics and Communication Technology Initiative and the specific activities addressed by the Worldstream ACT. The main technical results deriving from the Worldstream ACT activities will promote the global competitiveness and resilience of the European electronic value chain and the ecosystem. The key expected results from the Worldstream ACT are beyond the state-of-the-art semiconductor materials and manufacturing equipment, advanced technology platforms for the realization of innovative electronic devices, as well as energy efficient and application-oriented microelectronic products. Thank you.